If you're serious about data analysis, you've probably asked yourself, Excel or Google Sheets, which one is better? Well, in this video, I'm breaking down both tools in terms of features, performance, collaboration, and pricing, so by the end, you'll know exactly which one is right for you. Let's get started. Microsoft Excel is one of the most powerful spreadsheet tools ever created. It's been around for decades and is trusted by financial analysts, corporate teams, researchers, and data professionals around the world. When it comes to advanced formulas, complex functions, and automation, Excel is a beast. It offers features like Power Query, Power Pivot, pivot tables, advanced charts, and even VBA macros that can automate repetitive tasks. If you're working with large datasets, even millions of rows, Excel stays stable and performs well. That's why industries like banking, finance, and data modeling still rely heavily on Excel. But Excel isn't perfect. It comes with a cost, either a one-time purchase or a Microsoft 365 subscription. And while Excel does offer cloud access through OneDrive, real-time collaboration still isn't as smooth as it could be. Some users experience version conflicts or saving issues when working with teams online. On the other hand, we have Google Sheets, the lightweight, cloud-based alternative from Google. What people love most about Google Sheets is real-time collaboration. You can see who's typing, comment instantly, and share files with just a link. It automatically saves changes and works seamlessly across devices, laptop, tablet, or even your phone. Plus, it's 100% free as long as you have a Google account. Google Sheets also integrates easily with tools like Google Forms, Google Data Studio, and tons of third-party add-ons. However, Google Sheets has limitations. It struggles with large data sets. Anything above 100,000 rows can slow it down or even crash. It also doesn't support advanced analytics tools like VBA or Power Query, and its formula library, while decent, isn't as powerful as Excel. So if you're trying to run heavy data models or advanced business forecasting, Sheets just can't compete with Excel's processing power. Let's compare them side by side. When it comes to features and capabilities, Excel clearly wins. From advanced functions to automation and powerful analysis tools, it was built for professionals who work deeply with data. If collaboration is your priority, then Google Sheets is the obvious winner. It makes teamwork effortless and works perfectly in remote or online environments. In terms of performance and scalability, Excel is again the strongest option. It can handle massive files and complex calculations without crashing. For pricing and accessibility, Google Sheets wins because it's free and cloud-based. Excel, meanwhile, requires payment and isn't as convenient for quick sharing. So, which one is better for data analysis? Here's the verdict. If you're a student, beginner, or part of a small team that needs easy collaboration, go with Google Sheets. But if you want serious data analysis power, advanced functions, and long-term scalability, Excel is the better choice hands down. Most professionals actually use both. Sheets for collaboration, Excel for heavy analytics. So the real winner? Excel, especially for data analysis. But your choice depends on your needs. If you found this comparison helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tech breakdowns. And let me know in the comments, which one do you use for data analysis, Excel or Google Sheets? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.